Well, we have a new beautiful day in Grass Lake sub at our new cabin, our old new cabin. This is the blue cabin.
We're giving the Walkowskis honor.
Yeah, we're honoring the Walkowskis of 41 years ownership. We are honored to receive the baton, and we promise them we will take good care of this and bring it up to her glory. There's a well there. Nice little birdhouse. Here's the house. And Alex, this is going to be our first honors of going in.
Yep.
I don't even want to talk about that debacle over there.
We'll forget about that.
Okay, and then let's see what we're in for. Oh, we got knotty pine. Carpet. We got to pull that up.
That's 2 minutes.
Oh, it's musty. Oh, there's cool stuff in here.
Sweet here. Look at this.
Oh my gosh. Isn't this cute? This is cute.
This is an antique.
That's from the 70s, I think. We got knives. We got an old blender. We got some old cool shit. Isn't this cute?
Look, a lighter. Want some cards?
Old Coke bottle. Oh.
Coins. What the heck's this?
Open some of these curtains.
Chuck Walkowski.
That's his brother. Oh boy.
Because they got a well. Yep, 30 Armada. That's their Armada house. Here's the stove, Dad. It's a different one.
Okay.
It's a heater.
Okay. Wow,
Oh,
here's.
they got a bunk bed frame.
Oh, we are hooked up. We're sleeping here tonight.
Look at this, Dad. They did have like 3-4 kids, so.
Yeah. Oh, we are sleeping here tonight.
Frame in here.
Oh, it's all on. I love the rusticness. Look at that wall. I mean, I know it's probably paneling, but it's woods. It's actually pretty damn clean. I'm impressed. And there's the fuses. Let's open up these. Oh, yeah, the breakers. Sorry, guys.
Alright.
Here's our fuse box.
Here's the bathroom. Whoa! Holy shoot! I almost fell down there.
Is it a hole?
There's a hole that has a lid, and it might have been the old well. Look.
Oh, yep. And they're doing their toilet septic.
Stop.
This is almost like Keith's house. You know how...
Titus, I don't want to kick you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's the mice got in here, so it's a little nasty looking. Open that window.
Holy shoot.
What's wrong?
Hinge.
Okay.
Bro.
All right, I'll take care of it. We'll make sure that we don't hurt ourselves in there. We need a little light in there to see what's going on. Wow. So it has a little bathroom and a sink, and we're going to clean it up. What's this? Goes up to the attic.
So risky.
Oh, we're going to put something over that so we don't hurt
Shower.
ourselves.
Toilet is just bloody nasty.
Yep, we'll clean her up.
But it's nice.
Cabin life.
That floor is scary.
Cabin life. Look at, isn't this cute? Oh,
I know.
cute.
Oh, they did
We
this.
got little cupboards. Oh yeah, it's got potential. Well, the ceiling looks good. I don't see the roof like leaking in here. So, all right, you guys, I'm going to sign out, but I really have, I'm excited for this. There's stuff, but not too much. These lamps don't want to burn nothing down, but this is how you light when there's no power.
Oh, they have all the things they gotta do before they leave.
What is it? Turn the
Turn.
gas.
Turn oil. Still.
Look, here we got our little workbench area. Look, we got jackets.
Where's the electrical?
It's over here. I wonder if their dad was a plumber. And we'll see if this thing works.
Look, it's it's decently dirty in there, but.
Oh yeah, something was living in there.
But it might work.
It might. We'll see. Old school, man. Old school.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, we got the old furnace.
Yeah, so Dad, this is the line. This is the cabin. It was right here.
Yeah, the original.
You can see it.
All right, you guys. Signing off. Well, we do have some cool
Oh,
bedrooms.
look, they've got silverware.
Oh yeah, it comes furnished. Alex, I love this light from the 70s. Woo! Retro.
Old toaster.
I am excited. We got a bed. Let's get some. They did a good job with their. Well, they just paneled. I guessed that they would have paneled in here.
Well, there's the fuses. That's it.
Yeah, we put these two breakers in.
Oh, you got the old one.
Little tight quarters in here, but we'll throw our foam on here. I love it. I was looking for these kind of things. We could probably take one of these and put it in the other cabin. Or just keep it here. I mean, woo, doggy. All right. Thanks for coming out. Signing out.